when you come to this other part, you can see something called volatility. Now, this is the part where I want to cover. Now, in Deriv, we have various types of markets. Okay? We have something called the derived markets. Okay? Let me start here. We have something called the derived markets. In the derived markets, we have something called synthetics. Now, synthetics is whereby we have continuous indices. Now, volatilities. Volatilities are basically synthetic markets. Okay, what do I mean? I know I'm now confusing a majority of our individuals. Now, synthetic markets are basically markets created to simulate the real markets. Okay, they're basically not real markets, but you might be asking yourself, if they're not real markets, why should I trade them? Now, you should trade them because, first of all, they're created by Deriv and they run purely on algorithms, so Deriv cannot manipulate them. All right, and the good thing about these volatilities is that they run 24/7 throughout the year, so you can trade them at any given time that you want. Okay, you're not restricted to one particular time. So we have various indices. We have volatility 10, 1S, 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 25, 1S, 1S, and so on. As a beginner, we usually focus on 1S and 10, but again, I'll be illustrating that very shortly. Okay. Yeah, so we have something called derived, and a derived we have synthetics, which involves volatilities. Okay, all these volatilities which we'll be focusing on. Okay, after that we have something called Forex. As you usually hear a lot of people saying Forex. And a Forex, no, Forex is basically means foreign exchange. This is whereby you can trade pairs. You basically predict whether a certain currency will go up or down in a certain time frame. All right, if you predict the market will go up and it goes up, you encounter a win. If you predict the market will go down and it goes down, that's a loss. All right, so that is what Forex means. Okay, it is basically you are trading different currencies. As you can see, currently it is on a Saturday, so most of them are closed. Okay, but that is another advantage of synthetics. Synthetics run from Monday to Sunday, but Forex, as you all know, they only run from Monday to Friday, so you cannot trade them on weekends. Okay, you can only trade them from Monday to Friday. All right, yeah, because that is the time that most traders usually are, or that is the time the foreign exchange market is usually opened. Okay, now after Forex, we have something called stock indices. All right, stock indices is whereby we have various indices. We have something called the American indices. All right, we have Asian indices, we have European indices, and so on. And another thing, guys, as a trader, you don't have to pressure yourself. You don't have to understand all of them. Okay, you can only focus on one market and put your energy and effort into understanding it and trading it. Okay, it's the same way. You cannot, it's in real life. Okay, you cannot involve yourself in every industry, but you can focus on one industry and make your income from that one industry. Okay, but it is just good to know what the platform offers. Okay, as I've said, this is one of the best platforms. And guys, if you have any doubt about Deriv, please do not have it. This is one of the best platforms in the world, and it has won many awards for that. Okay, yeah, so we have European indices and so on. Okay, now we come to cryptocurrencies. I know most of you have heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum. Now this is is contained in the cryptocurrencies section, whereby we have Bitcoin and USD, Ethereum and USD. Basically, you can trade a Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin, and so on. Okay, yeah, like but I know also it is closed. Okay, yeah. After that, we have commodities. Commodities is whereby we have gold, palladium, platinum, and silver. All right, the same rules applies here. So as you can see, it offers you access to a lot of markets.